And well, while the country rejoices the T20 victory, also what came in was India captain Rohit Sharma along with Virat Kohli, who announced their retirement from the T20 series from here on. This after the final triumph against South Africa, where Rohit Sharma confirmed that he will not play T20 anymore. This was in a news conference after the match. Listen in to what he said.
From the streets of Delhi's Uttam Nagar to the biggest stages of world cricket, King Kohli's legacy is to be remembered by every Indian. From his very first T20 international ball against Zimbabwe to his grand T20I knock against South Africa, his golden career is one made for history books. He ended his golden stint with a stellar knock of 76 runs. The young boy who captained India's under-19 side in 2008 is now one of the legends to go down in the history of the game. Relentless fitness schedules, years and years of practice, criticism from multiple corners. The Chase Masters' golden career comes to an end. He who can rise from the face of any adversity, he who can scare any opposition to their absolute bones, he who can turn any match around, he who has given the 1.3 billion people of India thousands of memories. Let's give it up for the one and only. Let's give it up for the greatest of the greats. One last time, all together. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for Virat Kohli.
I have enjoyed since the time I started playing this format, and nothing better time to say goodbye to this format. I have loved every moment of this. I started my India career playing this format, and this is what I wanted. I wanted to win the cup and say thank you.
And cutting across to Soumya, who joins us from the Commonwealth Games Park this morning. Very good morning to you, Soumya. Of course, the country is rejoicing the T20 victory, and not very happy Rohit Sharma, Virat Kohli fans who do go on to say that they're not going to be watching their heroes play in T20 anymore, but it is only a retirement from T20 and not the other formats. What are you picking up with regards to the sentiment on the ground?
Yes, Suesha, very good morning. Right now, as you said, I am inside Commonwealth Games Park, and we have been getting visuals from last night. It's all over the social media with people celebrating continuously. They came down on road, wore that tricolor, burst crackers, danced on the beats of drums and dholes. Now we are surrounded by some of the cricketers who are here on the early mornings of Sunday playing cricket. Let's find out what did they do, what were they expecting from the match yesterday, and how did they feel, how did they celebrate, and what did they feel when Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma announced their retirements respectively. What was your reaction when India won yesterday?
This was the best, like the amazing match that I have seen in my life, and the way Hardik Pandya bowled and Bumrah bowled. So I think this is the best moment I have felt and lived in my life, and the best thing I have seen ever in my life, and this is the best thing, that the best match of my life, and the moment I will never forget in my life also, and this is the best. Just that's what I'm saying.
Okay, so 2023 November 19th to June 29, 2024. Are you feeling healed from that match? What was your expectations?
Yes, I'm very much healed now, and the moment is very. It is a moment that we can feel proud of it. And first of all, I'm I can say that now I'm totally healed now from 2023 to 2024, and especially I want to compliment to Virat Kohli, and on the other hand, I am also feeling very sad for Virat Kohli that he got retirement in T20 World Cup. Thank you.
Let's find out what do people think was the highlight from yesterday's match. कल के पूरे मैच में सबसे बड़ा हाईलाइट क्या था आपके लिए?
मैम सबसे बड़ा हाईलाइट तो मैं कहूँगा हार्दिक पांड्या ने जो क्लासन का विकेट लिया फर्स्ट बॉल पे, क्योंकि उससे पहले मुझे लग रहा था अगर क्लासन 3 से 4 बॉल भी और खेल जाता तो शायद इंडिया मैच पहले ही हार चुकी होती। बुमराह के ओवर का आने का टाइम भी नहीं मिलता, तो वो विकेट मेरे लिए सबसे बड़ा हाईलाइट था, क्योंकि उससे पहले हम खुद ऐसे करके बैठे हुए थे डर के मारे, लेकिन जब उसने वो पहली बॉल में विकेट ली तो बस उसके बाद जो नवंबर के अभी तक बम बचा के रख रखे थे हमने पटाखे, वहाँ फोड़ नहीं पाए थे, तो इस बार फोड़े दबा के और हम बहुत खुश थे।
आप लोग एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे थे कि विराट कोहली और रोहित शर्मा अपना रिटायरमेंट अनाउंस कर देंगे?
We didn't expect that, but it's a part of the game. Everyone has to retire at the time of the moment. But we never thought that it could be the easy win for us. The last night was very amazing, and the captaincy was all on point. When Bumrah come on 18th over, it was the greatest over in that inning. He did it very well, and we came it throughout. The team has been on situation point and stress. Bumrah came and released the stress, and we won the match, and that was the great feeling for all of us, all Indian, very proud of moment for us, and now we did it, and
this is an end of era for us also, because
Yes,
the Virat
the
Kohli and
golden
Rohit
era.
Sharma
The golden
retired,
era.
and I
It
think
has
this is an
been
emotional moment for us also, because we were never expecting that. We were moved on from the last World Cup, but we were not expecting that Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma will retire from the T20. But yeah, that's a amazing thing we have seen in my life. We will tell this story to our child also.
So Suyesha, these were the voices of the young voices of the national capital. You heard them. They feel healed from 19th November. So as we said, now we have for every 19th November 2023, we have 29 June 2024. Back to you.
Continue talking to us because while we talk about Virat Kohli's and Rohit Sharma's retirement, fact is that Virat Kohli himself has said that let the next generation take over. So what do these youngsters feel about the next generation of players? Do they sense the same excitement and potential when it comes to Shubman Gill or Rinku Singh and the others getting more opportunities?